Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson number 13, Triangles and Quadrilaterals. Let's start. Exercise 13A, question 1. Take 3 collinear points. Collinear points are, do we put it in a straight line? Yes. So we put the 3 collinear points in a straight line P, Q and R. PQR on a page of your notebook. Join PQ. So we will join PQ, QR and RP. Is this a figure a triangle? Is it a triangle? No. Why? Because a triangle is formed when we join 3 non-collinear points. A triangle is formed on joining 3 non-collinear points. Number 2, take 3 non-collinear points L, M and N. So non-collinear means anywhere. So we will take L, M, N. Okay. Join LM. So now we join LM, MN and NL. What figure do we get now? What is this figure? Yes, we get a triangle. Now, which is the side opposite to angle L? Angle L is here. The which is the side opposite to it? It is side MN. The angle opposite to side LN. Now, side LN is here. Which is the angle opposite to this? Yes, it is angle M. Okay, the vertex. Vertex, what is a vertex? Vertex is a point where two lines meet opposite to side MN. Now side MN, which is the vertex? Yes, it is vertex L. And the last question, the side opposite to angle N. Angle N is here, which is a side opposite. Yes, it is side L M. Question number 3, classify into acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle with the following angles. So some angles are given. We have to find out whether it is acute, which is less than 90 degrees, obtuse more than 90 or less than 180, and right angle is when it is 90 degrees. So any one angle, if you get 90 degrees, it is a right angle. Any one angle you get more than 90, it is an obtuse, and if it is less than 90, you get acute angle. So now see the angles here, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. We have got 90 degrees, so it is a right angled triangle. Next, all are 60, 60, 60 degrees. So it is less than 90, so acute angled triangle. 80 degrees, 60 degrees, 40 degrees, again all are less than 90, so acute angled triangle. 130, 40 and 10 degrees. 130 is more than 90, so it is a obtuse angled triangle. Easy. 90 degrees, 35 degrees, 55 degrees, again 90 degrees, so it is a right angled triangle. And the last one, 92 degrees, 38 degrees and 50 degrees. Now 92 is more than 90, so it is again an obtuse angled triangle. 4, classify triangles according to the sides. We did it according to the angles. Now let's see according to the sides. Equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Equilateral, all sides equal. Isosceles, two sides equal, and scalene with all the sides unequal. Now see here, 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. All are different. So it is a scalene triangle. Next, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. All sides are equal. So it is an equilateral triangle. 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Two sides are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. 8 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 10 centimeters. All are different. So again, scalene triangle. 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. All sides are, yes, different. So again, scalene triangle. And the last one, 3.5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters. Two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. Last one more question we will do for now. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following angles and sides? Give reason to support your answer. Okay, this is based on the properties of triangles. We had learned the property that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees for the angles, and for the side, any two sides should be larger than the third side. Now 110 degrees, 60 degrees and 30 degrees. When we add these, what number do we get? 110 plus 60 is 170 plus 30 is 200 degrees. So can we form a triangle with this? No, because the sum of the angle should be 180. Next, 70 degrees, 70 degrees, 70 degrees. When we add all these, we get 210 degrees. So can we make a triangle out of this? No, because the sum total should be 180 degrees. 80 degrees, 35 degrees, 65 degrees. When we add, what do we get? We'll add the units. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 180 degrees. Can we make a triangle with this? Yes, because the sum total of the angle should be 180. Next, 7 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Now for the sides, it is that two sides should be greater than the third side. Now when we add 3 plus 4 is 7 and this is also 7. So can we make a triangle? No, because the side is not greater. Next, 50, 90, 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 plus 50 is 230 degrees. Can we make a triangle with this? Again, no, because it should be 180 degrees. Next, again for the side, 10 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Can we do this? No, because 10 plus 2 is 12 and this is also 12. So, no, the sum of the side is equal to the next side.